As the unofficial kickoff to summer gatherings, we are all eager to get together with family and friends. Former MasterChef judge Gwen joins us with her tips on some foods that keep us cool as summer temps rise.
Chef Gwen here, kicking off summer. Do you love a summer salad? This red, white, and blue gorgonzola salad is cool and refreshing. I start with fresh express sweet butter lettuce, add colorful fresh fruit like strawberries, blueberries, and pears, add a mix of gorgonzola and mozzarella cheese, and then top with a light raspberry vinaigrette. Fresh Express offers more than 100 varieties of fresh, healthy, ready-to-eat salads that make summer entertaining easy. For a simple, delicious appetizer, I used California-grown prunes from Sunsweet in my prune goat cheese bruschetta. So good. They're a great source of vitamins and minerals, and research suggests that eating 5 to 6 prunes each day may help prevent bone loss and improve risk factors for heart disease and inflammation. They can also substitute for unhealthy fats or sugars in everyday recipes. Getting a refreshing drink for my guests has never been easier with the new versatile Tay iced brewer from Keurig. It brews both delicious iced coffee and full flavored hot coffee. With one push of the blue brew over ice button, you automatically adjust the brew temperature with the machine for a balanced iced coffee that never tastes watered down. It has the first of its kind iced refreshers too, available in strawberry acai and pineapple passion fruit, sure to keep you cool in the summer heat. And summer cookouts aren't complete without Bush's baked beans. They're incredibly versatile and enhance any cookout. I added burnt ends, bacon, and barbecue sauce to mine. Whether it's original, brown sugar hickory, or the other flavors, Bush's baked beans go great with any cookout and are the sure side of a good time. You can also try Bush's zero sugar added baked beans, which features the iconic flavor you love without the added sugar. For more information, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Chef.